Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the brainstorming activity A3 in the novel Around the World in 80 Days. Let's begin. The first activity is: which of the following are used as a means of transport in the novel? How do they help the characters in the extract? And the means of transport are given: elephant, horse, train, and steamer. Write the answer. Elephants, trains, and steamers were used as a means of transport in the novel. They help the characters go around the world in the allotted time. After overcoming a number of obstacles, they reach London in time to win the wager. Then move on to second activity, that is the beginning of the extract is a scene in the prison at the custom house. From there the novel moves further from one place or spot to another. Pick and explain all the places or spots where the incident took place. The most of the part of the setting of in the extract is in London. Explain how the setting of the extract is suited to the theme of the novel. We'll see the answer. From the prison at the custom house, Fogg and his companions go to Liverpool station to catch a train back to London, where Fogg lives and where the Reform Club is located. Once they reach London, thinking that they had lost the wager, they go to Savile Row, which is Fogg's residence. The next location is the preacher's house, where Passepartout goes to make arrangement for Fogg's wedding. The last location is the Reform Club, which Fogg reaches in time to win his wager. Third activity: describe the importance of the following places in the development of the plot and behavior of the characters. There are certain places here. The places are Liverpool, London, Reform Club, Savile Row, Edinburgh. These are some of the places given here. So we have to see what is the importance related to the place, or what is the importance of that particular place. The first place is given Liverpool. Liverpool is the place where Fogg disembarks from his steamer, and from where he has to catch a train to London. Liverpool is also the place where he is arrested by Fix and thus misses his train. He arranges a special train in an attempt to reach London on time. The second place given here is London. What is the importance of the place, or what is the importance of London? Fogg lives in London. The Reform Club, which Fogg frequented on a regular basis is also in London. Fox accepts the wager in London. His journey starts from London and ends in London. Hence, London is the central place in the novel. This is what the importance of the place London. Then Reform Club. Reform Club is the place which Fogg frequented on a regular basis. It is at the Reform Club that Fogg gets involved in an argument over an article and where the wager with his fellow club members takes place. That we are known. It is the place where Fogg was supposed to return before 8:45 p.m. on 21st December, 80 days later. It is the place where his antagonists are waiting anxiously for him and which he reaches at practically the last second to win his wager. Savile Row. Phileas Fogg's residence is in Savile Row. This is also the place where he takes order. Fogg has always stayed quietly at this place. When he returned from his trip around the world and thought he had lost the wager, he remained there so quietly that no one even knew he had returned. The last place mentioned here is Edinburgh, and the importance of that place is Detective Fix arrested Phileas Fogg in Liverpool thinking that he was a bank robber. However, the real bank robber, James Strand, had been arrested on the 17th of December at Edinburgh. Then fourth activity, select the correct options. Which of the following places in India is or are not mentioned in the extract of the novel? Means while reading the novel, there are some of the places that are not included in the novel, but that are there in the options. We have to choose that one. The options are A. Bombay, which is now called as Mumbai, B. Allahabad, C. Chennai, and D. Calcutta. Now it is said Kolkata. So out of these, when we read the novel or the extract, we see that Bombay and Calcutta were there, but Chennai and Allahabad are not there. That's why in writing the option, we can write Allahabad, Chennai. Here we have completely solved the brainstorming activity A3 in Around the World in 80 days. If you want to see the similar videos, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon button. If you like this video, then press like, hit the like. If you have any query, information, suggestion or reply, write it in comment box. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.